Google's bid to come to grips with Android's messaging problem has finally arrived. It's Friday, April 20th, and Google's Chat is getting a rebuild based on the Rich Communication Services, or RCS standard. RCS is an evolution of SMS, which introduces many features that apps like Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and Apple's iMessage have had for years. So Android users will now have better group messaging, read receipts, or is it read receipts? That's a debate for another time, typing indicators, animated stickers, and more. Chat isn't a new app from Google, rather it's a feature provided by cellular carriers that essentially gives text messaging a facelift. Google expects the Chat standard to be switched on for most Android users sometime this year, though the precise timing will be decided by each carrier and region, kind of like Android updates in general. In the spirit of this Sunday's Earth Day, Apple is unveiling a new robot which can disassemble and harvest all the valuable parts of an iPhone. This is Daisy, and it can handle 9 different versions of the iPhone. The robot can take apart a handset every 20 seconds, removing and sorting the materials without damaging them in the process. Now, smartphones hold lots of valuable materials. You got gold, copper, platinum, lithium, aluminum, and steel among those that can be recycled and used to create new electronic devices. This remarkable machine is a more advanced version of Liam, a robot unveiled by the tech company 2 years ago to perform the same task. Staying cool this summer may require putting on an extra layer, provided the extra layer is the new Instant Cool vest. It uses technology developed by NASA that involves a network of microtubes containing chilled water. The result? Well, according to the vest's developers, you'll be more comfortable and less overheated in just 10 seconds. The vest is being branded as an invisible personal air conditioning unit for your body. By pumping cold water across your chest, the vest claims to reduce your body temperature quickly and efficiently. And while there are other cooling vests on the market that promise a similar result, the Instant Cool claims to be considerably cheaper than the alternatives. This is an Indiegogo campaign, so take that for what it is. Backers pledging $120 are being promised a vest in June of this year. That's DT Daily for today. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and follow us on all the usual social channels. We'll see you right back here next week.